Infantix, singing, dancing, and learning.
Hello, my friends. Today we are going to learn how to make an Avengers puzzle. Look how fun it is, and you can make it several times. If you want to learn how to make it, pay attention and write down everything you're going to need. Let's go! We will need the printed material in the description of the video, liquid glue, round scissors, and some crafting paper. Let's begin. Let's start by cutting out our puzzle pieces. Now that we've cut all the pieces, take a piece of crafting paper. Use the liquid glue to glue the piece to the paper. And paste the back completely. Press the ends down to make sure it's glued well. Wait for it to dry. All right. Once it dries, we can start cutting out our puzzle piece. Look how our puzzle turned out. Now we can start putting it together. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Awesome! I was able to do it! That was really great, wasn't it? If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell. Kisses, kisses, kisses. Until next time.
Infantix, singing, dancing, and learning.